Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce users with role-based security, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Salesforce users with role-based security, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu located in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type users and select it from the results. Click on the Roles option to manage role assignments. Review the existing roles to determine if new roles are needed. To create a new role, click on the Setup Roles button. Choose the appropriate role hierarchy to maintain a structured environment. Enter a name and description for the new role. Assign the role to specific users by navigating back to the Users section. Locate the user you want to assign a role to. Click on the user's name to access their details. In the User Details, find the Role drop-down menu. Select the appropriate role from the drop-down options. Save your changes to update the user's role assignment. Next, navigate to the Permission Sets section under Setup. Review existing permission sets that may complement the assigned roles. Create a new permission set if specific access is needed. Assign the necessary permissions to the new permission set. Link the permission set to the user by selecting their profile. Confirm that the user now has the correct role and permission set assigned. Test the configuration by logging in as the authorized user. Verify the access levels for various features and data within Salesforce. Adjust roles and permissions as necessary based on testing outcomes. Document your role assignments and permissions for future reference. Regularly review and update roles to adapt to evolving business needs. Conduct user training to ensure everyone understands their access rights. Monitor user activity to ensure compliance with security policies. Keep your Salesforce environment organized and secure through effective role-based security management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.